Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Chelle. Today, guys, I'm taking some inexpensive cushions and showing you how you can give them a Christmas glam touch. I hope you enjoy. I started by printing out 3 images from Google. I printed out, first of all, a Christmas stocking, as well as a pair of Christmas mittens and a set of angel wings. I started, first of all, by cutting each of the templates out.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
Once I cut it out, I have this cute little silver grey cushion that I picked up from the reject shop. Now I have a pair of these and they're really soft crushed velvet. I knew they'd be perfect for my first DIY. I started by taking this black glitter foam and taking the little mittens, I traced them out. Once I was complete, I then cut them out. Taking both of the little mittens, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue them to the front of my cushion. I'm then going to take a strip of this fur that I picked up from Spotlight. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm just measuring the tops of the little mittens and cutting the fur to size. I'm then going to hot glue the fur to the mittens. I'm then going to take each of my mittens and hot glue them to the front of my cushion. Now you want to glue them on a little angle here, guys, as if they're facing outward. I'm then going to take some of this sequin ribbon from my dollar store. What I'm going to do here, guys, is create a design as if the mittens are hanging off this sequin ribbon. Now I started by hanging the first piece to the right hand side, and I'm going to do a little curl and then I'm going to do another little curl to the left hand side before putting it into the left mitten. It's basically going to look something like this. Once I was happy with the result, I just wanted to add a few little extras, guys. So I picked up these dollar store stickers that are in the shape of snowflakes. And what I'm going to do is just add one to each of the mittens. Once it was complete, I'm then going to move on to my second DIY. I took that second silver cushion and what I'm going to do is do the same sort of method, guys, but this time we're going to make a Christmas stocking. So taking that black glitter foam once again, I'm going to trace out the stocking and then cut it out. then going to hot glue it to the centre of my cushion. I'm also going to take some of that white fur once again and cut out another size to add to the top of my stocking. Now, taking that dollar store sequin ribbon once again, what we're going to do here, guys, is make it look like it has shoelaces hanging off it. So you can see I'm doing here is I'm just overlapping, and I'm going to make one length a little bit shorter than the other. I'm then going to hot glue everything in place. I'm then going to take these gorgeous little white pom-poms that I picked up from Spotlight, and I'm going to glue one to each end. I'm also going to take another one of those snowflake stickers, and I'm going to add that to the centre of my stocking. I then moved on to my third and final DIY. I'm now going to take some of the silver sequin foam, and taking that template of the angel wings, I'm going to trace it out. I also had this blush pink velvet cushion that I had from the reject shop, and I knew it would go perfect for my silver sequin angel wings, which I'll hot glue to the centre. I'm then going to add a dollar store glitter bow, as well as this beautiful glitter brooch that I used from Spotlight Australia. I also decided to add some of those snowflake stickers from my local dollar store, and I added a few randomly in place. I'm then going to take some of those pom-poms once again, guys, and I'm going to hot glue one to each corner of the cushion. Guys, a helpful tip here is that you don't have to spend a fortune when decorating for Christmas, especially on cushions. Rather than going out and purchasing new cushions, guys, I'm going to show you here what I have done. I recently did a video, if you remember, in the silver cushions where I just did Glam Chanel pumpkins. All I did, guys, was remove that and start again. The best part about using hot glue on a project, it leaves minimal damage, and all I've done is just start again. The other tip is you could just flip the cushion over, and you could have fall on one side and Christmas on the other. I'm always trying to find inexpensive ways to share ideas with you, and here is a classic example of saving money. Guys, I'm absolutely aching to put up my Christmas tree, but I'm trying to be patient and hold out. I normally put up my Christmas tree November 1st, purely because I am a YouTuber and I want to share as many decorating ideas as I can with you. I also love having it out for 8 weeks straight. Leave me a comment down below what date you put your Christmas tree up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed another episode of Christmas with Chelle. forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.